Here we are, we're on the ship. We're going to have a look at our room for the first time. Now let's see what our room looks like. Tap. It just needs a little bit of extra oomph. So we're in our room. We have an inside cabin, but it has a big TV on the wall showing us what it looks like outside. Let's call it a virtual balcony. It must be raining at the moment in Vancouver, so that gives us a live feed to what's outside. So what do we have? Where do we start? We'll start at the door. We have a full-length mirror on the wall right here. And then we have the desk area here with a massive big mirror for putting on makeup, I guess. But there's also plenty of ports, plugs here as well. There's a fridge, but it's got a lock on it, I think. Oh no, it's open. Hairdryer. Coffee and tea making facilities in the cabin. We've never had that before. That's awesome. And then we have just some drawers here for our clothing, I think. And the TV is on the side, but there's only one chair, so only one of us can watch TV at once.
I think they might have spent away from the walls.
Do you think?
Yeah.
To watch in bed? Nope, it's not going anywhere.
Okay.
So that's going to be interesting. Oh, it's got our name on it. Hello, Block family. Then we have our bed. There's not much room to get around this side. That's going to be interesting. There are cupboards above the bed for any storage there. Got a light each. Don't see any USB next to the bed though, so it's just a light on this side. What do you got? Just a PowerPoint. Oh, and the main light for the room. We have a wardrobe. And a little tiny little safe here as well. And 2 drawers down here. Now, let's look at the bathroom. Just keep the bucket. The bed test. This is actually 2 beds they put together. Okay, so yeah. Let's see. It's firm. It's definitely firm. Not too much give in that, but I think it'll be comfortable. Tap this one. No, maybe not. I can't get in. This one. No. What am I doing wrong?